Under the initiative of Mukrang Self-Help Group, boat racing competition was organized at Karbi Lankpi River, Vothatlangso, under Duaramla constituency on 6th of December. The opening ceremony was chaired by Longsing Rongpi, president of Mukrang Self-Help Group, and around 11 a.m. Prabhat Taro, EM of KAEC, inaugurated the competition. As many as 11 clubs participated at the competition. The winners were awarded with a cash prize of Rs 20,000, Rs 15,000 and Rs 10,000 to first, second and third position respectively. Pangching Club secured first position, followed by Tharve Abi Club in second position and Sarsing Habe Club Hongkram in third position. Prabhat Taro, EMKAEC, while speaking to us, spoke about the importance of boating for the people living in coastal areas of the river. Taro also praised the advisor, organizers and expressed his gratitude to all the members who were actively working tirelessly since the beginning until the end of the day, announced the second edition of the competition for the following year. Prabhat Taro, EMKAEC, attended as the chief guest of the event. Radhib Ronghang, President, BJP WKADC, Nayan Basumatari, General Secretary, BJP WKADC, Gojan Kro, VDC Chairman, Duar Amla, and several dignitaries of the region attended the event.
Participant paong pan samil tumborina laso alambang nilta non NGO tumban sami alam chak tipilo moi France tamina cherabdun pu alambang nilhin betadulo.
Pratap Kathar's report from Vothatlangso for Karbi Lankpi Live.